I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Amaura. So in your craft packet, you will have a reference photo of Amaura, as well as a little picture of her. That's just the lines. We're going to color her in, cut her out, and then we're going to turn her into a bookmark. So go ahead and grab some colored pencils or markers or crayons or whatever you'd like to use. Color her in, and then we'll get her cut out and I'll show you how to put it together. Once you have your Amaura colored in and cut out, all we need is some glue. So we're going to flip her over and put just a little line of glue right around the top half of her body. So right about here, right under her neck. We don't want to glue the feet, so that's going to be part of the bookmark. And we can just glue her on right at the top center of our little bookmark page. And then if you want to be done, you're already done. Or you can decorate your bookmark however you would like. You can put the Pokemon's name, or you could put your name, or you could just draw something on here. Whatever you would like to do. So for this one, I'm going to leave it blank as an example. But then for this one, I wrote her name, her number, and I colored in with the same colors that I used on coloring her in. So the way this bookmark will work, of course you can just stick it in normally, but you can also, since we did not glue her feet, slide her on here so that her feet are on one side of the page and the rest of the bookmark is on the other. And you can hold your place. So that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye.